Okay, in this video I'm going to do an example problem like one of the homework problems, and basically it says complete the following table given Class B subnetting. Okay, so if we've got Class B subnetting, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a Class B network, which means the first two octets are fixed, and those are our network address, 16 n bits. N is equal to 16. And we've got the last 2 bytes, or the last 16 bits in the IP address to divide amongst S and H. Okay, S plus H must sum to 16. And basically, it's asking us what are the subnet masks for various ways of dividing this up. What we're interested in here then is the third octet, and in the third octet we can assign some number of mask bits to be ones, okay, and we do that here. I show you for the number of mask bits being 2, they're going to be the first 2 bits of the third octet in our mask, and that gives a mask value of 192. And so what we've done is we've taken these 16, S plus H being total of 16, where S is 2, that leaves H being 14. And that's why I have a 255, 255, 192, 0 here, okay? So we have 16 plus 2 more, 18 ones in our subnet mask, okay? And the number of mask bits is the number in the third octet here. The number of mask bits being 3, 4, 5, and 6 is straightforward, following the same pattern. For 3 mask bits, I get 128 plus 64 plus 32, which is 224. And that means I have S equal 3, H equal 13. They sum to 16, and I get a 224 here. Similarly, if I've got 4 mask bits in my third octet, I get a 240 here. 5, I get a 248, S5, H11, a 248. And finally, if I have 6 mask bits, then I have 6 ones and 2 zeros in a byte. That gives me a 252, S being 6, H being 10. And so we get the 252 here. And now we can calculate the number of subnets and the number of hosts per subnet. So the number of subnets is 2 to the S, and I just plugged in the various S values, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it asks for a number of hosts per subnet, which is 2 less than the number of IPs, and the number of IPs is 2 to the H. And so I have 2 to the 14th minus 2, 2 to the 13th minus 2, 12, 11, and 10. And you can calculate all those numbers. So this is an example of filling in a table. In your homework, it has you fill in a table for Class C subnetting, okay? This I've done for Class B subnetting, which means most of the action is going to be in the third octet, okay? Things get more complicated if the number of mask bits exceeds 8, and so that we end up with S bits going all the way through the third octet and into the fourth octet. But we're not going to worry about that here. Okay, hope this helps.